the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if this is your first time of joining us or coming in contact of this face, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Like my videos, share these videos, and comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, those of you who has been patronizing me in money and in kind, buying my spiritual material and also introducing me to people, calling me to testify what God is using me to do on here, I say it shall be well with you, and so shall it be. Without wasting each and every one of your time, in today's video, I want to share with us what you should do to any man or any woman that is after your life, after your health, after your destiny, after your children, after your marriage, after your job, after everything that gives you joy. Any man that has been causing catastrophe in your life. So many people don't want to see you smile. All their wish for you is for you to cry, for you to die. Some of them don't want to see you carry your children. Some of them don't want to see you get married. Some of them don't want to see you get a good paying job. Some of them don't want to see you get increment in your salary or make sense in your business. Some of them don't want to see you finish that project which you have started. Some of them don't want to see you buy a car. But after this recipe, any man, any woman that does not want to see you, that does not want you to enjoy the life, that does not want you to live healthy, that does not want you to enjoy your marriage, that person is going to go down for your sake. If they wish you dead, they will die before you. If they wish you sick, they will be sick. If they wish you separation in your marriage, they will be separated before you. If they don't want to see you carry your children, they will never carry their own. If they don't want to see you get a good paying job, they will never get a good paying job. So whatsoever they wish you, that is what they are going to do. So all you need to do for me, for this spell to work for you, is just three things. Number one is to watch the video to the end. Number two is to subscribe. Number three is to carry out the instruction and share the video and watch God perfect everything that concerns you. All you need to do for this thing to work is to get this spiritual material that has so many benefits. Just get me an egg, any kind of egg, be it organic egg, be it native egg, or a red marker or a black marker. Anything you can use to write on the egg that is black or red. So when you get the egg, if you know the name of that man or that woman or that your colleague in the office that is making life miserable for you, that want them to sack you, yes, that man, that woman that want to frustrate you in that place of your work, write the person's name on this egg. You know that your evil uncle, that your evil aunt that has sworn that you will never finish that your building in the village, write their name on this egg. You know that man, that woman that does not want to see you live healthy, is always peeping you, trying to see if his charm is working at you. Write the person's name on here. But in case you don't know the name of the person frustrating you or reporting you or throwing charms on you or tormenting you spiritually, physically, if you don't know them, but you know you are under spiritual attack, you know that what is happening to you is not a physical thing, that the hand of God is not in it, is a spiritual matter. Just write any man, any woman that is against my life. But if you know their names, quietly write it here. That one that is busy tormenting you day and night, even in your compound where you live, he or she is always looking for your trouble. When you spread your clothes outside, they will go and fling it. When your children come outside, they will beat your children up so that you will come out and fight. Don't fight. This is common for people living in face me, I face you. That is the kind of temptation they see on daily basis. If you are on this kind of situation and you are fighting a physical fight, you know that you are not actually listening to my teachings on here. Just leave the person and treat this person spiritually. Like some people will call me and tell me that somebody has tied me up, somebody has tied my womb. Just use this egg. This egg will untie that person. That thing that person has done on your behalf. All you need to do is to write the person's name, or any man or any woman. Then you begin to speak. If you know the power attached to egg, then you will fear no one, because egg possesses life. You that evil man, you that evil woman that has sworn with your life that you don't want to see me succeed in this life, that you don't want to see me progress in this life, you don't want to see me carry my children. That side chick that want to destroy your home, if you know her name, write it here. And she will be the worst enemy of your husband. They will fight and you will be the one to come and separate the fight. Try this out. Write that evil girl's name on this egg. That evil woman. Yes. Even sometimes you see your husband dating married woman, you will be wondering, what is enticing my husband with this kind of person? I am more beautiful than her. That is black magic. Use this egg to destroy that power. You see a small girl taking your husband just like that, and you cannot do anything. When you do too much, she will seize your husband permanently. Write that girl's name here. That's your colleague that is always after your life, that is always writing your name in names of people that they want to sack, mentioning your name because he has opportunity to date your boss, and they want them to sack you. Write her name or his name on this egg. You that does not want me to enjoy this life, you want me to suffer. All the evil wishes you have wished me is going back to you, whether you like it or not. All the evil things you have done to me is going back to you. All the evil plans you have towards me is going back to you. As you don't want me to carry my own children, you don't want me to enjoy my marriage, you will never get married. And if you are married, you are stealing my husband from me, your husband will pursue you, and no man on earth will look on your face. These are the things you should pray, not by fighting. Yes, you cannot go and fight your enemies physically. You can use an egg to finish your enemy. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Egg possesses life. It possesses a lot of powers that you can use to destroy your enemies. You can use it to cleanse off negative energy and to wipe away every evil that is disturbing you. You are going to do this recipe for 4 days. Every day you do this. 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 On the 4th day, you are going to use your left hand and smash it outside your compound, or you smash it inside the toilet where you can flush it out, or you go to your backyard and smash it where somebody will not go there and match it, or you can smash this on the road. Say, as I am broken this egg, I have broken every evil thing that you have done against me. All your evil plans, every evil wishes against my life, I have broken it today and I have returned it back to you. The way I felt back towards everything you do to me, that is the way I want you to feel until you confess your sins. After you have broken the egg, go back your home. Add salt in your bathing water and use salt to bathe. This is very, very powerful. Use this recipe to dismantle your enemies, to cause catastrophe in their life. Yes. Do this and come back with your testimony on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +2347088136610. And don't forget, on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the curse breaking soap, we have the road opening soap, we have the back to center soap, we have the anti-witchcraft soap, we have the hand me not soap, we have the spiritual cleansing bath detox, we have the mercy and love soap, we also have the mercy and favor soap, we also have the love and attraction soap, we have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil, we have the stop evil oil, we have original charge powerful bracelets for sale. We also have original pancake oil, honey for sale. We also have the alligator pepper for sale. And also we have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Have you been suffering from moving objects? Is something crawling all over your body? Has something been moving inside your body for so many years now? And you have been going to the hospital up to no avail. The doctors has been diagnosing, they are not seeing anything. But you are dying slowly. Within you yourself, you are very sick, but nobody is seeing it. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. The moving object destroyer, evil spirit destroyer, every poison that they have given you in the dream, or they have attacked you with a sickness that you know nothing about, that the doctors are not seeing the cure. I am here to help you. All you need to do is to call my number +2347088136610. That is my number. We ship all part of the whole world. American continent, Europe, Asia, South America, all over Africa. And if you need me to do something for you spiritually, you want to consult me spiritually, don't hesitate to do that. My number is +2347088136610. That is my number. You can contact me on WhatsApp. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you for listening and for coming back to watch my video. Make sure you share this video, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe on this channel for more information and for more spiritual tips in order to help yourself spiritually. See you in my next video. Bye for now.